In today's video, I'm going to talk about a product I was sent that I've tried before, and it is a wonderful product. So if you're interested, you know what to do. Stick around. Hi friends, I'm Stephanie of CreativelyMsMe. If this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome. I'm glad you're here. Here I share decorating and home organization tips. Now, if this is your kind of content, I would love for you to subscribe and become part of the family. And to my creative family, I want to thank you for your continuing support. Now today, I am coming to you and I'm going to talk about Java coffee concentrate. They reached out to me and asked me to review their product. Now, I've tried it before when they sent it the first time, and I really loved it. And I thought I would come back and do another one to let you know that I'm still enjoying it. And this is my second bottle. So if you are not a morning person, like I know I'm not, then I think Java coffee concentrate is something you might want to try. I always make me an iced coffee with the Java. I have my milk in here and a little creamer and 2 teaspoons of Java coffee concentrate, and my day starts off right. Because your girl here does not like getting up before 9. Yes. Now that I get up at 7:30 in the morning, I drink me an iced coffee of Java, and it helps me get my day started because I am not the average morning person. So try Java. You'll love it. If you want to explore more, why don't you check out one of these videos I have listed here, and you be blessed.